very heavy, maybe like 20 pounds, maybe? This is cool. Yes. The waters. Okay, I'm gonna try and get in this without flipping it and ruining my phone. That was, wow, look at me. I think they were like, I don't know, $65 a piece. And they came on Amazon Prime in like 2 days. Wonder if you can hear me. Trent, can you hear me? He hears everything. Oh, he's fishing. I don't know how to like fish. I mean, like fish while moving. I feel like that's too much. But I'm gonna try it. Maybe like right in here. Okay. I gotta get out a wax worm. Ew. This is pretty badass though. Not gonna lie. Not gonna even lie. These are called waxies. Freaking gross. Almost went into my freaking finger. I think it's just like fake, but it's supposed to look like worms, but it feels gross. Ooh. Wow. Why did I do that? Not bad. I got this. I really want to catch a fish so then I can like eat it, you know? My stepdad used to catch a bunch of walleye and we would do a fish fry. And I feel like I've seen him do it multiple times, so I could maybe do it myself. And plus I've like Googled it. It's gross, but you have to like cut off their head and then like fillet them. But I just feel like it would be cool to be able to do that because it's a good skill to have. Because, you know, what if there's like a zombie apocalypse? Is the bobber even on right? I used to fish all the time with my dad. And I've never really caught a big fish before. Oh my god, it's broken. I broke it! The bobber! I'm just gonna get the other bobber because this one's a piece of crap. I bet he's just glad that I like to do this kind of stuff. Like actually, ooh, that's the wind. That's the wind. Because I feel like a lot of girls probably don't, you know, want to go fishing, but I do. I like it. Oh, fuck. I'm struggling. Catch us some hogs. There we go. Yeah, this looks deflated, but oh well. There he is. This boat. Like, go away. Like, we literally got here first. You're so annoying. I have a center console, and I like to hook up a bunch of fishing poles to it and go and ruin other people's coves that they're fishing in. Why? Why are you this close to two people and like blow up kayaks? I bet his name is Kyle. Look at these little shells. Oh, the wind, if I just like hold up, oh my god, if I just hold up the sail. Hold up your sail, or your thing. If you just hold it up, the wind will carry you. Hey, how many stars? Out of 5?
3.8, 4.
What are the cons? Where did he even go? I don't even see him. I would give it a 4.5. Just because good price, can use it over and over again. The only thing I didn't like was the paddle. I mean, you probably get your own paddle because it's probably like a cheap one, but it gave me a blister. And the back support. So the blister, the paddle, the back support, that's what docked half a point. But 4.5 out of 5. Would recommend.